Word keeps track of many statistics for each of your documents. One statistic is the total number of pages in the printed document. You can insert this information any place you want, as you discover in this quick tip. There are numerous places where you might want to insert the number of pages in your document. I'm not talking about a page number here, but the actual count of pages in the document itself. This could be used in a header, a footer, or just about any other place in a document. For instance, you see that there's a memo on the screen here, and the insertion point is located just to the right of the word pages. I want to insert the total number of pages in this memo into this place within the document. In order to do that, all I have to do is go right over to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and then I'm going to choose Quick Parts over here at the right-hand side. When I do that, I get a drop-down list, and I'm going to choose Field. That displays the Field dialog box, and in the Categories list here at the left side of the dialog box, I'm going to choose Document Information. Now, the field that I want to use at this point is this one right down here. It says Num Pages. That allows me to insert the number of pages within the document itself. If I wanted to, I could change the formatting of that page count, but I'm going to have it just be a regular Arabic page number, and so all I have to do is say OK. And now you can see that it put the number 4 there, which is the number of pages that are within this particular memo. Now you might wonder why I just didn't type the number 4 in here. Well, that's the great thing about using a field for your page count. If you change the number of pages in your document, for instance, if I was to add a couple more pages to this particular memo, then when I go to print out this document, it will update that number of pages because I've inserted it as a field, and fields are dynamic in nature. They update when you print the document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click like, then the subscribe button, and finally the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.